That was rad. Maybe let's jump into this cocktail here.
Sweet. Yeah. You there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make this cocktail for you guys. It's called the Sour Peche Kid. I've done a few versions of this drink, but this is one of my favorites. This is we do like version and remix number 2, 3, 4. This is like remix number 5 of Sour Peche Kid. But I love this style of cocktail. It's fun, it's whimsical, and guests really like it. So anyway, I'm gonna use 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. I'll give you a little view of what I'm doing here.
There you go.
Yeah. So I'm going to be using.
You're wearing pants.
Yeah, I wore pants today. Cuban. So this is some wonderful Dekuyper here. I'm going to use a 1/2 ounce of Peche. Thank you for the sponsor today.
Indeed.
Just 1/4 of the Dekuyper sour. And another shout out to our friends at Sipsmith. They sent me this wonderful gin. This is their lemon drizzle, the shizzle. Use 1.5 ounces of that. Okay, so fresh lime juice, the 2 Dekuypers. And then right here, I made a sour apple cordial. Anybody that knows me, I always try to add a couple of different layers of the same flavor in. So we're just going to do 1.5 ounces of that apple cordial. That recipe is in there, and this cordial goes well with anything. It goes well with, mezcal, tequila, gin, vodka. Just put an egg white in there. We're going to give this thing a nice little whip. Dry shake. Bartending sitting down. Yeah.
We've seen a lot of it.
Yeah. Handy cocktail glass. Boom. Now I'm just going to give it a nice shake.
Nice.
Boom.
Such a foreign thing now.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
So I like to garnish it with some Sour Peche Kids. Little Sour Peche Kids there.
Lovely.
I'm going to add a little bit of the malic acid on top. The malic acid is the acid that comes from green apples. So I kind of like to use green apples in this bad boy, but there it is. Sour Peche Kid.
Wish that was in my hand right now. Well done, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Staying in touch. If you guys have specific questions, at Julian Thomas Cox at IG. Here's your phone number.
Yeah.
Everybody's going to text you,
Yeah.
Awesome. Very cool, man. Thank you for your candid breakdown of what's going on. We'll bring you back in a moment. We're going to step aside for a second and do our 5 questions with Ben, and we'll be right back to you.
Awesome.